Hi guys, my name is Quabs and I'm going to show you how to do this. But first, please follow me.
Well, to do this, you're going to need 3 AI tools: GPT to generate our image, GROK AI to animate our image, Adobe Podcast to enhance our voice. You can use the web version of the following AI mentioned, or you can use the mobile application. For familiarity's sake, I'm going to use the mobile application so we can all follow and get the same results. Come with me. Hi guys, so first of all, open your GPT app and you need to upload the kind picture you want to turn it into a 3D cartoon over here. So once uploaded the picture, you need to type in a prompt, generate 3D cartoon of me, and hit on send. So you wait for a while. GPT is going to generate the 3D cartoon for you. And what you need to do is to save it to your photos. Once you are done saving, you need to head on to GROK AI to continue from there. So here, tap on chat on GROK and tap on create video. So here, you need to upload the cartoon, 3D cartoon GPT generated for us from our photos. So take note, once you upload the 3D cartoon, automatically GROK AI will animate the video for you, even though you've not typed in any script. But here, you want the cartoon to say a specific script. So we are going to type that particular script to the space given to us. So as you can see, I'm going to type, "Hi, my name is Quabs, and here is how to animate your picture." So once I'm done, I'm going to tap on send and wait for a while. GROK AI is going to generate or animate the video for me. Guys, check this out.
Hi, my name is Quabs and here...
Okay, so now we need a high quality of our video. Okay, so here we are going to tap on option and tap on upscale. This is going to make our video HD so that when you upload it on social platforms, you get the high quality or the full quality. Okay, so once you are done, we are going to download it to our photos. Tap on the download and it's going to save to your photos. So now you see it's giving us raw AI voice, so we need to enhance the voice and get it a bit clear. Okay, so here we are going to use Adobe Podcast. So visit Adobe Podcast. Here I'm going to use the web version, okay, and upload the AI video GROK AI generated for you. All right, guys, so let's wait to see the magic. So I'm going to play it.
Hi, my name is Quabs and here is how to animate your picture.
Good one. So now scroll down and hit on download and save it to your photos. So now I'm going to play the raw AI generated and also the enhanced one for you to know the difference. Okay, so it is the...
Hi, my name is Quabs and
this is the enhanced video.
Hi, my name is Quabs and...
Alright guys, so this is the full guide on how to generate this kind of videos. That's great. So you can leverage on this to start creating content for your profile if you are shy showing your face in front of the camera.
Wait, let me sign out. My name is Quabs and sorry, I'm young Quabs. See you at the top.